Thank you, Madam Chair and honorable members. I have submitted written testimony, but I have also included in my written testimony a package of material of expert witnesses who could not be here tonight, who had testified when the bill was heard on the House side. They include Professor Dwight Duncan, a law professor, his op-ed that appeared in the Rhode Island Providence Journal entitled "Rhode Island Abortion Bill Goes Way Too Far." Also, a memorandum on the bill by Attorney Benjamin Linton, Paul Benjamin Linton, an expert on abortion law nationwide. Also, local attorneys Joseph Cavanaugh, Robert Duffy have also included a legal analysis of the bill. And finally, analysis of the bill by Professor Nicanor Austria Co, a Dominican priest and professor of biology at Providence College. That's all for your edification about the bill. We are opposed to the bill, and our opposition is both moral and religious, as was brought up here, but also our opposition is also legal. And I'll just read to you, as part of my testimony, if I may, Madam Chair, the executive summary by Attorney Linton about the bill and why we're opposed to it legally.
If we have it in our test, I would rather we read it, and please rest assured that we will certainly read it, and I don't want to cut your testimony short at all, but
I don't want to give you too much homework, that's all, Madam Chair.
I would rather homework, quite frankly, but thank you, Father.
Well, we oppose the bill on both moral and religious grounds, but also legal grounds. The bill doesn't simply codify abortion law. It's an extreme bill that does more than that, and you can read that in the legal analysis. We believe fundamentally that life is a gift from God and should be respected, and that civilized societies are distinguished by the protections that they afford to their weakest and most vulnerable members. And our government is at its noblest when it speaks for those who have no voice: the unborn, the poor, the refugee, the immigrant. For the Church, there is no distinction between defending human life and promoting the dignity of the human person. The human right to life is rooted in the fact that life, ethics, and social justice are intertwined in the concept of human dignity. Therefore, we oppose this bill. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions or comments for Father Healy? Senator Raptakis.
Father, real quickly, the memorandum you have from Paul Benjamin Linton, it says H5343, but
Same
also
bill.
it applies
he wrote
to
it-
S274.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
There's similar bills. I couldn't, he sent it to me as a PDF. I couldn't change it, sorry.